Ever wondered how to get the most out of Microsoft Office? Let's face it, in the modern world, proficiency in Microsoft Office isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Whether you're drafting a report in Word, crunching numbers in Excel, or creating a compelling presentation in PowerPoint, mastering the basics can supercharge your productivity. In this video, we'll guide you through these essentials, and before you know it, you'll be navigating through Word, Excel, and PowerPoint like a pro. So, stay tuned to learn how to navigate through Word, Excel, and PowerPoint like a pro. Starting with Microsoft Word, the go-to tool for creating professional documents. Now let's dive right into Microsoft Word. Picture this as your digital canvas, where you can craft everything from a simple letter to a complex report. So, how do we get started? Well, it's as simple as clicking File, then New, and voila! You have a fresh, clean document ready to be filled with your ideas. But before you start typing, let's talk about basic formatting. Formatting is like the wardrobe of your document. It sets the tone, style, and overall readability. It's where you choose the perfect font style and size, decide on the alignment of your text, and set up the spacing between lines. Remember, a well-dressed document is much more appealing and easier to read. Now let's say you've finished typing up your masterpiece and you want to save it. Just click File, then Save As, and choose where you want to store your document. You can even rename it to something that will help you locate it later. But what if you need your document in a different format? No problem at all. Word allows you to export your document in various formats like PDF, which is ideal for sharing and printing. Finally, let's talk about a secret weapon that can save you time and effort: templates. You see, Microsoft Word has a vast library of templates for almost any document you can think of. Need to create a resume? There's a template for that. A business proposal? There's a template for that too. These templates come with preset formatting and suggestive text, which you can easily customize to fit your needs. So there you have it. From creating a new document to applying basic formatting, saving, exporting, and even using templates, Microsoft Word is a powerful tool that can help you create professional-looking documents with ease. With these tips, you can create professional-looking documents in no time. Next up, Microsoft Excel, an essential tool for data management and analysis. Think of Excel as your personal data wizard. It allows you to organize, analyze, and visualize data in a structured manner. It's not just about numbers and equations, it's about making sense of information. Now let's get started. Imagine a blank canvas, but instead of paint, we're using rows and columns. To create a new spreadsheet, simply click on File and select New. This will open a fresh sheet ready to be filled with data. But what is data without organization? Enter your data into the cells, each row and column representing a different aspect of your information. Remember, the key to Excel is a well-structured and organized data set. It's like building a house. You need a strong foundation to ensure everything else stands firm. Now, you've got your data in place. What next? Excel has a myriad of functions to help you manipulate and analyze your data. For instance, if you want to add a series of numbers, you don't have to do it manually. Just use the sum function. Type =sum, followed by the range of cells you wish to add, and close it off with a parenthesis. Press enter and voila, the total appears. But it doesn't stop there. Excel is packed with a multitude of functions. Average, max, min, count, the list goes on. Each function serving a unique purpose, helping you to dive deeper into your data. Do you want to find out the maximum sales figure for last quarter? Use the max function. Need to know how many employees are in your organization? The count function has got you covered. These functions are your keys to unlock the insights hidden in your data. Excel is more than just a spreadsheet application. It's a robust data analysis tool, a visualization platform, and a productivity booster. It's a tool that, when mastered, can transform the way you interact with data. Excel makes dealing with numbers and data a breeze. Moving on to Microsoft PowerPoint, your companion for impressive presentations. This robust tool has a lot to offer when it comes to making your ideas shine in front of an audience, a client, or even your team. Let's start with creating a new presentation. It's as simple as clicking on File, then New, and selecting Blank Presentation. Or you can choose from a plethora of professional, eye-catching design templates. They come in a variety of styles, suitable for every occasion. Using these templates can give your presentation a consistent look and feel, saving you time and effort. Once you have a new presentation, adding slides is a breeze. You just click the New Slide button on the Home tab. Each new slide is like a fresh canvas for your ideas. You can add text, images, graphs, and even videos to make your presentation more engaging. Speaking of text and images, inserting them is also a piece of cake. For text, you select the text box tool and click anywhere on the slide to start typing. For images, you go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and choose the image you want from your computer. Now let's talk about transitions. They're the magic that makes your slides flow smoothly from one to the next. To apply a transition, you select a slide, go to the Transitions tab, and choose the one you like. PowerPoint offers a wide range of transitions, from subtle fades to dynamic 3D effects. Remember, the key is to keep your transitions consistent and not too distracting, and there you have it. With a little practice, you can turn your raw ideas into polished, professional presentations. PowerPoint offers a world of possibilities, all designed to help you communicate effectively and leave a lasting impression. With PowerPoint, leave your audience impressed every time. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how these tools can work together. Imagine you're working on a project that involves crunching numbers, drafting documents, and creating a presentation. Instead of juggling between Word, Excel, and PowerPoint separately, wouldn't it be great if these applications could interact and share data seamlessly? Well, the good news is, they can. Microsoft Office is not just a set of individual tools, but a cohesive suite designed to integrate and work together, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's start with how you can embed Excel data into Word or PowerPoint. Say you've created a comprehensive spreadsheet in Excel with all the data for your project. Instead of copying and pasting the data, which can be cumbersome and prone to errors, you can simply embed the Excel file into Word or PowerPoint. This means any changes you make in your Excel file will automatically update in your Word document or PowerPoint presentation. You can embed an entire Excel workbook, or just a specific range of cells, depending on what you need. All you have to do is go to the Insert tab and select Object, then Create from File, and choose your Excel file. It's as simple as that. Now, what about using Word content in PowerPoint? If you've drafted a report in Word and want to turn it into a presentation, there's no need to manually copy and paste the content. You can use the Outline feature in PowerPoint to import the content from your Word document. This feature automatically structures your text into slides, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your documents. And there you have it. By integrating Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, you can create a more efficient and seamless workflow. These tools are designed to work together, helping you to manage your projects with ease, minimize errors, and save time. Integrating these tools brings out the best of Microsoft Office. So, how do you feel about Microsoft Office now? We've taken a deep dive into Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and we've just scratched the surface of what these powerful tools can do. In Word, we've seen how to create and format documents, making our written communication clear and professional. Excel has shown us the magic of spreadsheets, turning numbers into meaningful data and insights. And PowerPoint? It's transformed our ideas into engaging presentations, enabling us to share our thoughts and stories with the world. But remember, these are just the basics. Each of these programs has a wealth of features waiting to be explored. From creating eye-catching graphics in Word to performing complex calculations in Excel, from designing interactive slides in PowerPoint to integrating all three for efficient workflow, there's always more to learn. And that brings us to our most crucial point: regular practice. Understanding how to use these tools is one thing, but mastering them, that requires consistent use and exploration. So don't be afraid to experiment. Try new features, play around with different functions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn, after all. Remember, mastering Microsoft Office is not a day's work. Keep practicing, and you'll be an expert in no time.